In Pashto we say uba. Starting with alif. In English, water. In Urdu, pani. In Pashto we say ban. Starting with b. In English, garden. In Urdu, bath. In Pashto we say pasa. Starting with p. In English, sheep. In Urdu, ghar. In Pashto we say tor. Starting with te. In English, black. In Urdu, kala. In Pashto we say topak. Starting with te. In English, gun. In Urdu, banduk. In Pashto we say samar. Starting with say. In English, fruit. In Urdu, fal. In Pashto we say jama. Starting with jim. In English, clothes. In Urdu, kaprai. In Pashto we say zangle. Starting with zay. In English, forest. In Urdu, jangao. In Pashto we say charg. Starting with che. In English, rooster. In Urdu, murga. In Pashto we say Hassan. Starting with he. In English, beauty. In Urdu, khubsurti. In Pashto we say kor. Starting with ki. In English, food. In Urdu, pana. In Pashto we say darwaza. Starting with dao. In English, door. In Urdu, darwaza. In Pashto we say dodi. Starting with dao. In English, bread. In Urdu, roti. In Pashto we say zikr. Starting with zao. In English, mention. In Urdu, zikr. In Pashto we say run. Starting with ri. In English, bright. In Urdu, roshan. In Pashto we say rund. Starting with ri. In English, blind. In Urdu, anda. In Pashto we say zong. Starting with zay. In English, bell. In Urdu, ganti. In Pashto we say jaba. Starting with ja. In English, language. In Urdu, zaban. In Pashto we say spi. Starting with sin. In English, dog. In Urdu, kuda. In Pashto we say shpa. Starting with shin. In English, night. In Urdu, rat. In Pashto we say sabr. Starting with sad. In English, patience. In Urdu, sabr. In Pashto we say zmanat. Starting with zad. In English, guarantee. In Urdu, zamanat. In Pashto we say talib. Starting with ta. In English, student. In Urdu, talib. In Pashto we say zaraf. Starting with za. In English, dish. In Urdu, bartan. In Pashto we say ainak. Starting with ein. In English, glasses. In Urdu, ainak. In Pashto we say gar. Starting with gain. In English, mountain. In Urdu, bahar. In Pashto we say film. Starting with fe. In English, film. In Urdu, film. In Pashto we say kalam. Starting with kaf. In English, pen. In Urdu, kalam. In Pashto we say kitab. Starting with kaf. In English, book. In Urdu, kitab. In Pashto we say gadi. Starting with gaf. In English, car. In Urdu, gari. In Pashto we say lamar. Starting with lamb. In English, sun. In Urdu, suraj. In Pashto we say more. Starting with meme. In English, mother. In Urdu, mun. In Pashto we say namra. Starting with noon. In English, number. In Urdu, number. In Pashto we say nam. Starting with noon. In English, my name is. In Urdu, mera nam hai. In Pashto we say wazir. Starting with vav. In English, wing. In Urdu, bar. In Pashto we say yurid. Starting with hamza on vav. In English, he heard. In Urdu, asani suna. In Pashto we say hawa. Starting with he. In English, air. In Urdu, hawa. Starting with soft he. In English, beautiful woman. In Urdu, khubsurat aurat. In Pashto we say yak. Starting with ya. In English, cold. In Urdu, thanda. In Pashto we say ki. Starting with ye. In English, good female. In Urdu, achi. In Pashto we say kaista. Starting with ai/I. In English, beautiful. In Urdu, khubsurat.